Stacking treasure, banks can't measure. CSB production. Weighing in. What's up, YouTube? Got a little unboxing here from Mr. Gold Seeker 82. I ended up winning one of his giveaway contests. If you guys aren't subscribed to him, you should. He has a massive stack, great unboxings, and he does quite a bit of giveaways. So let's open this up and check it out. Should be that Privy Cook. That was awesome. 1 week. Free silver, right? Awesome. There you go. Horse Privy, the 2014 Kookaburra. Again, that's from Mr. Gold Seeker 82. Thanks a lot, man. That's awesome.